honestly, as a parent, like every parent would want the overall growth for their own child. Same thing was something that I was looking forward to. Uh, my daughter was in an IB school before this, and I did not find it really doing her an overall growth at that. So I chose Harrow when it came to India, and we saw that it is going to start the primary section. So one of the first things that I had to do is go find out what is the school like, and what is it going to have as a syllabus, what is the staff going to look like. And that's where I kind of came and had a lot of discussions. I'm one of those parents who probably delved into the details of every little piece of the growth for the child in terms of academics, in terms of co-curricular activities, and the special attention given to each child that would be there. And Harrow, I think, ticked all the boxes very well. I couldn't think of anything better for my kid to be experiencing and learning to grow from her childhood in the primary itself. So I was very glad to bring her to Harrow. The first thing that I observed in the school was the focus in bringing the right education from all sides that a child has to grow. When I came to the school, I figured that it was not just the academics that was something that they were focusing on alone. They also had a plan of action for how the child is going to actually take up a lot of co-curricular activities. There is a huge focus on how the child is doing, mentally, physically, emotionally, the growth phases that they have at this age. So I think that's the first thing that I saw in the school. When I spoke to the principal, when I spoke to the staff initially, those are the first things that I was looking at, and I think that made me figure out what's best for my kid, and that was Harrow. My daughter has actually come from an IB school, and the way of teaching was very different. She did not have the right methods of teaching out there for her to be able to grasp a lot of things. Here in Harrow, I felt initially, because of the change in the entire curriculum and syllabus, it might be a little tough on her, but I see that she's really progressed well within the year itself. Credit goes to the staff that is there, the teacher that she has for her class. There is a lot of special attention given to each child, I guess, because they exactly have figured out which child needs attention in what areas. And I think she's definitely moved into a different syllabus, but it doesn't look like anymore. Within a matter of 6 months, she's done really a great job in terms of figuring out the syllabus, putting that extra level of focus, which is being given in terms of the space and time for her by the teachers themselves. So I think she's really moved into the school and settled in quite well. My daughter really looks forward to coming to school every day, which is something that I was very skeptical about initially, because of the change in school, because of the change in curriculum. I really was wondering if she's going to be able to cope up with it, but she looks forward to it. So I think one of the things that she mentions that she's really happy about is being able to focus a lot of methodology that is being told and taught for different things. So everything here is so structured. I think it also goes back to the legacy of the school, where the school is got so much of history, and they know exactly how to structure the whole scenario for different kids. And that's where my daughter kind of fit in very well, where her abilities to build that additional confidence in different subjects. I thought maths was something that she would not really be able to cope up with the change in curriculum, but I think she's doing very well there, and she looks forward to a lot of co-curricular activities that the school provides. she's probably also looking forward to focus on tennis, which is again something the school has additional focus on in terms of the co-curricular activities. So she's doing very well and is looking forward to coming to each of those sessions specifically as well. For anybody who's considering Harrow, and if another parent has to ask me what's going to be the one thing that they can look forward to, it's the ethos and the focus and the methodology that Harrow has, which percolates down to every level, which percolates down to the facilities that the school provides, which actually comes down to the teaching methodology, which comes down to the staff that they have. They are very, very critical in choosing the right kind of staff, the right kind of teachers, and they've done a great job in the first year itself of opening the primary section here in India. I think I would definitely tell any parent to look forward to a great future for their kids here.